Jeff is about to try ramen for the first time. For those that know Jeff and those that may not know, he's an essentials person. He has things he likes. It's ramen, it's just noodles. We're gonna try to give him a basic like entry level joint and see how he do.
I think it's time. Been out here too long. The fact that they let him go without bringing him to the place and making him eat it is really upsetting me. So I convinced him. Now let's just hope he doesn't get sick.
I'm here to make sure he gets there. If he tries to turn around,
let's
I'm
go.
gonna
You got me hyped. Let's go. We gotta go. I'm from West Philadelphia, born and raised. No pun intended. But I'm used to eating a certain way. First time we got to Hong Kong, we stayed in one of the busiest areas in Hong Kong. But for some reason, because I couldn't speak the language, I kept going to 7-Eleven and I bought orange juice and Oreos because those were the only two things that I could understand what it was. And I ate like that for like 3 days, only to come back about a year later, stay in the same area and realize just how much food was around. So that was a lesson for me that you kind of got to open your mind up and go out and explore. When you come from West Philly, sometimes you're not really in the explorative mood because sometimes you explore in the wrong neighborhood and some bad stuff can happen. I'm gonna get ramen for the first time.
This is my third time here in like 24 hours.
This is my favorite ramen place here in Tokyo. I've recommended it. I hope he likes it. If he doesn't, I don't know. You guys go to Fridays tomorrow. I don't know.
All right, so basically the way this joint works is everything's on the vending machine.
Yep.
You're not really directly interacting with anybody. So we got our gorgeous looking money here. I'm gonna throw that in this. And you kind of a la carte whatever you want. So we're gonna go base ramen here, $8.90.
Yeah, I want.
We're gonna go extra pork.
Yep.
We're gonna go K-Dama. This is the noodle refill. After you eat all your noodles, you still got broth left. Boom. And then we're good. And they're gonna print you the tickets.
Is that mine? So here. So, I want some ramen, the extra, and the noodle ramen.
Noodle ramen. Hang on to those.
Okay.
And you good?
So you walk in and it's a bunch of booths and stools and you just kind of sit at a little cubby hole and wait and see what goes down.
We basically ordered ramen, but this is how you want your ramen. Your stock, your richness, garlic, green onion, spicy, pork, all the things. Fill that out. Peel that off. And these are extra. If you're eating them, you want a beer, an egg, something like that, you just hang on to this guy.
This is different. I'm here now. There's no turning back. They don't have Fanta. Strike one.
You don't know how to use chopsticks either?
See, here we go.
Jeff.
Now you tell me to get the chopsticks out. Oh, that's hot. Ooh, that's hot. Kind of like grandma's soup. Who needs chopsticks? Know how to eat noodles with a spoon from the hood.
And it's polite in Japan to slurp if it's good.
Okay, I've been missing out.
All right, well, now that we're on a roll, let's show you how to get these chopsticks popping.
Listen, I'm doing all right with this big ass spoon. You put a tray right there, push the button, and the guy brings me more noodles. I like this.
I don't have no patience for no conversation. OG, what I'm blazing, clouds are what I'm chasing. Sun is shining bright, sun is shining bright. I may lose my life once I take this drive. I don't mind, I'm already blind from these yellow diamonds.
Jeff destroyed that bowl.
but I knew this. I kind of knew this. You can't really go wrong. There's nothing in it that he doesn't like. It's noodles. I know he like that. Broth. You get a little bit more intricate than that, but he bodied it. Smashed it. And had extra noodles.
Mellow,
I got medium firmness on the noodles. Broth was amazing. The noodles were perfect. The meat was incredible. I appreciate learning new things, and that was something that I haven't ever experienced. But the team supported me in my decisions because they knew I had a little bit of indecisiveness, and they really kind of pushed me towards the victory. So I couldn't do this without my linemen. We're gonna celebrate this win right now, and we're not gonna talk about next week because we're gonna bask in this win and enjoy this for a couple of days before we start talking about raw sushi. Never happened.